What's up, cycling fans? Today we got a bike check for you on my 2019 Cyclocross race bike. Frame on this bad boy is the Kona Major Jake. It's Kona's middle of the line carbon frame offering. I mean, it's the same frame that they use on their Super Jake that you seen being raced by Kerry Warner, just with a different paint job. Built this guy up with a full group set of the Shimano Ultegra R8000, which is the hydraulic disc brake with mechanical shifting group set. So obviously we got the Ultegra hoods up top paired to the Ultegra calipers. Moving back, decided to go back to 2x this year. So I figured I might use this bike as a bit of a do-it-all bike rather than just a dedicated cyclocross bike. Using the Ultegra cranks on these guys, which are paired with a Stages power meter on the left crank arm. All the way back at the rear derailleur, went with the Ultegra RX rear derailleur. Decided to go with that clutch mechanism to get a little extra spring retention. And the cassette on this guy is currently an 1132. Wheel sets at the moment is just a set of training wheels. They're just a set of WTB rims paired with Formula hubs with the Vittoria Terreno mix tires mounted up on there. Obviously they're set up tubeless. Haven't run this tread ever before. Honestly, they're just what came with the bike, so I'll be curious to check those out in training. Now, of course, for racing, I do have some sets of tubulars that I will be throwing on the bike. Handlebars, stem, and seat posts are all from 3T, and the seat is the Syncros Bellacarra. Handlebars are nicely finished up with some lizard skin bar tape. And of course, when all finished up, this guy will have a set of Shimano XT pedals on it. Of course, I have a full spec list on the bike for anybody who's interested down below in the description. If you like my Kona Major Jake race bike for 2019, give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below of what bike you'll be racing this season. And if you'd like to see more content like this, make sure you subscribe to the Wannabe Racer YouTube channel.